Hello, I am Savita Lavre from Shri Malsakant Junior College, Akurdi. Today we are going to learn about the practical floral adaptation for pollination. What is pollination? Pollination is the act of transferring pollen grains from the anther of stamen to the stigma of carpet. Pollinations are of two types, self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination, it is the transfer of pollen grain from anther to receptive stigma of same flower or the flowers present on same plant. Second type, cross-pollination, it is transfer of pollen grain from anther to receptive stigma of different flower present on different plant. There is requirement of agents for cross-pollination to transfer the pollen grain. On the basis of agents, there are various types of cross-pollination. First, anemophilous pollination, that is pollination through wind. Second, entomophilous pollination, pollination through insects. Third one is ornithophilous pollination, that is pollination through birds. And last one is xeroterophily, that is pollination through bat. On the basis of on the basis of the agent, these are four types of cross pollination. There are some modifications that takes place according to the agent for pollination. That modification, now we are studying the modifications or floral adaptations for insect pollination and floral adaptation for wind pollination. First, floral adaptations for insect pollination, that is entomophily, for example, salvia. The first character or first adaptation for insect pollination, flowers are attractive and bright in color. You can see here the flower color red and purple. Red and purple color flowers are present here. The flowers are attractive and bright in color. Due to color and attractiveness, insects are easily attracted towards the flower. Second point, flowers have nectar and fragrance. Flowers have nectar and fragrance. Due to fragrance, due to odor, uh, insects are attracted towards the flower. Nectar is the food of insects. For searching of food, the insects are attracted towards the flower. Flower has bi-leaved corolla and two stamens. Flower has bi-leaved corolla and two stamens. Here you can see the structure of internal structure of flower. Here it is ovary, then nectar gland. These are the sepals. Then bi-leaved corolla. Two lobes of corolla, two lobes of petals are present in salvia. Then each stamen has one fertile and one sterile anther lobe. Flower has bi-leaved corolla and two stamens. Flower has bi-leaved corolla and two stamens. Each stamen has one fertile, here you can see the fertile anther lobe, and one sterile anther lobe. This is sterile anther lobe and this is fertile anther lobe with bifurcated long connective. This looks like liver. It is the liver, and uh, here we can see the liver mechanism. Sterile anther lobe and fertile anther lobe. This is the connective, and this is stamen filament. Filament is bifurcated into fertile anther lobe and sterile anther lobe. Pollen grains are sticky, numerous and spiny. Pollen grains are sticky, numerous and spiny. Sticky pollen grains are present, numerous number of pollen grains are more, and exine of pollen grains are spiny. Due to spiny exine, these pollen grains are easily stuck to the insect body of insect. Then 6.6 is it shows liver mechanism. What is liver mechanism? That we can see in next slide. It shows liver mechanism. The first photograph is structure of salvia flower. Here it is the fertile anther lobe, this is sterile anther lobe, and this is the liver, is filament, and this is bifurcated connective. The lower lip and upper lip of flower, or lower lobe and upper lobe of corolla. In second photograph, when insect enters in the flower, the insect, while collecting the nectar, it pushes the lower sterile anther and allow the upper fertile anther to press into the dorsal side of head of the insect. This way, pollen adhere to the insect. And in third photograph, when this insect visits to another flower and transfer the pollens to the stigma. Next floral adaptation is floral adaptation for wind pollination. For example, maize. Floral adaptation for wind pollination, that is anemophilous pollination. For example, maize. Here you can see the field of maize plant. Then next photograph, this photograph showing the male inflorescence, and this photograph is showing female inflorescence. Male inflorescence is present at the tip of plant, while female inflorescence present at the axil of plant. Then the characters or adaptations for flower. Adaptations of flower. First, flowers are small, colorless, and not showy. Flowers are small, colorless, and not showy. These are the small flowers. Flowers are colorless because there is no requirement of color and odor and nectar, because the pollination is through wind. Flowers are small, colorless, and not showy. Flowers are odorless and nectarless. Odor and nectar is absent in flowers. Anthers are versatile. Anthers are versatile. These are the anthers. Anther versatile means the anthers hanging in the air. Air मध्ये ते hang झालेले असतात, त्याला आपण म्हणतो versatile anthers. Large number of pollen grains are produced. Number of pollen grains are large because here the wastage of pollen grains are more. The next point, pollen grains are smooth, light in weight, and non-sticky. Pollen grains are smooth because design of pollen grains is smooth. Weight of pollen grains are very light, and non-sticky pollen grains are present in maize. And last one is stigma feathery. Feathery stigma is present. Due to this nature, pollen grains are easily stuck into the feather and pollination takes place. बोर्ड प्रॅक्टिकल एक्झाम मध्ये हे प्रॅक्टिकल तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 मध्ये जो स्पॉटिंगचा क्वेश्चन आहे त्याच्यामध्ये स्पॉट ए म्हणून हे असणार आहे, आणि हे तुम्हाला आयडेंटिफाय करायचं आहे आणि डिस्क्राईब करायचं आहे. आयडेंटिफिकेशन साठी तुम्हाला हाफ मार्क असेल आणि डिस्क्रिप्शन साठी हाफ मार्क असेल. जेव्हा तुमचं स्पॉट ए ला हे असं साल्वियाचं पॉट तिथे असेल तेव्हा तुम्हाला ते आयडेंटिफाय करायचं साल्विया, आणि पुढे लिहायचं आहे अडॅप्टेशन फॉर एंटोमोफिलस पॉलिनेशन. मग तुम्हाला त्याचा हाफ मार्क आयडेंटिफिकेशनचा जो आहे तो मिळेल. त्याच्यानंतर हाफ मार्क साठी डिस्क्राईब करायचा आहे, आणि हा डिस्क्रिप्शन साठी तुम्हाला ह्या जे 5 ते 6 पॉइंट दिलेले आहेत त्यातले 3 ते 4 पॉइंट त्याच्यामध्ये लिहायचे, आणि ते लिहिल्यानंतर तुम्हाला उरलेला अर्धा मार्क मिळेल. असं टोटल हे 1 मार्काचं प्रॅक्टिकल आहे. याच्यामध्ये आपण 2 एक्झाम्पल्स घेतलेत, एक म्हणजे साल्विया आणि दुसरं घेतलं होतं ते मेज. इथे मेज प्लांट असेल तर तुम्हाला ते आयडेंटिफिकेशनच्या पॉइंट मध्ये लिहायचं आहे मेज अडॅप्टेशन फॉर एनिमोफिलस पॉलिनेशन, आणि डिस्क्रिप्शन साठी तुम्हाला ह्या 3 ते 4 पॉइंट पैकी 2 ते 3 पॉइंट किंवा 3 ते 4 पॉइंट जे असतील ते तुम्हाला येत असतील तेवढे पॉइंट तुम्हाला त्याच्यामध्ये लिहायचे आहेत अर्ध्या मार्कांसाठी. असं टोटल हे 1 मार्काचं प्रॅक्टिकल आहे. एक तर साल्विया येईल किंवा मेज येईल. आतापर्यंत हे प्रॅक्टिकल तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 मध्ये स्पॉटिंग करता हे असतं, पण ह्या वर्षाकरिता हा सिलेबस थोडासा रिड्यूस केल्यामुळे हा क्वेश्चन पेपरचा पॅटर्न देखील बदलला गेलेला आहे आणि हा क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 च्या ऐवजी क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 मध्ये हा स्पॉट ए म्हणून असणार आहे. So this is all about the practical floral adaptation for pollination. Thank you.